All right, so let's talk about what you should do if you're putting in a listing in MLSPIN. Now, MLSPIN has not decided to join the lawsuit. They kind of went on their own path, if you will. However, if you are a realtor, you're still subject to certain guidelines, okay? And your brokerage may have certain direction for you. So I'll tell you right now, with EXP, we are not doing broker-to-broker compensation, nor are we going to present any form of compensation on the MLS. That is part of the lawsuit. That was part of the terms. You cannot offer any compensation in any IDX platform, which the MLS is, okay? So, EXP agents, this is how you should, if you're taking a listing, this is what it should look like. Okay, so when you're in the MLS and you click on listings and then you choose new listing, you're going to see on the compensation piece, right? It's going to read unspecified. You'll see on the top, it'll read here unspecified. You'll see that for sub-agency, buyer, broker, and facilitation, it'll read unspecified. Leave it alone. Don't touch anything. Don't put any numbers on the bottom. Don't even put 0. 0 is actually a number, right? Leave it blank. You're good. Then scroll all the way down to the property description. In property description, if your seller tells you, yes, I will entertain offers with buyer concessions, right? Or if they are telling you proactively, say, hey, listen, I am going to offer, buyer broker compensation, then here, and they give you an exact number of what that is, here, in this field, in this box, you want to write seller will entertain offers with buyer concessions. So seller will entertain offers with buyer concessions. I would put that right there. And that will tell the public, because that is going to syndicate to Zillow, Realtor.com, all these other places. And it will tell the buyers, hey, listen, the seller will entertain offers of buyer concessions. If you need financial assistance to help cover the cost of your agent, write it in the offer. That's it. Negotiate it. Just like the fridge and the washing machine and everything else, write it in the offer. Okay? So very, very simple. That's what you have. Now, there are some brokerages out there that will still offer. They're going to stipulate that they're going to put co-broke information in there. That's up to them. That's them understanding, even though the MLS is allowing it, doesn't mean that it's right. Okay? So follow your broker's instructions. eXp Realty, we are telling all our agents, you do not offer compensation on the MLS. If your seller said, hey, listen, I want you to tell the world that, I'm offering X amount for compensation, great. The agent calls you, tell them what it is, right? Send them an email, like put in your open house flyer, right? If at the open house, you can certainly tell people, hey, my seller has instructed me to let you know that there's compensation for your agent. So here you go, right? This is what it is. Write an offer, make sure you include it, and we'll get the deal done. So there's ways to do that. There's ways to express that if that's what your seller wants to do. But we can't do it in the MLS, okay? All right, folks. Well, listen, if you have any questions, reach out to me. Let me know. Happy selling out there. Until next time.